115. So here place, the kanji of place, that's one. So the stroke of this kanji: first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. So ichi, ni, san, yon, or ichi, ni, san, yon. Go, ruk, nana. So again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So the sound of this kanji is tokuro, 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 dokuro, and sho or jo, sho or jo. Tokuro, to, go, ro, tokuro, or dokoro, do, ko, ro, dokoro. Here sho, sho, or jo, or sho or jo, jo, sho or jo. Tokuro, dokuro, sho or zo. Basically tokuro and sho. If here is used only different to one, so here is sound is different. To response of do and sho response of zo. So tokuro and sho, tokuro and sho. Need to remember the two sound basically, tokuro and sho. So in the two sound we knew already zu sho, already used in the previous kanji, zu, zu sho. So here zu sho, zu already used that kanji, zu sho. Zu sho, zu sho means address, zu sho, zu sho address. Only tokoro, that's place, tokoro, that's meaning of this place, place tokoro. So tokoro, only this kanji we can use tokoro, 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 that means tokoro. So place, place. Again another sound is basho, or another word basho. Basho means place, same, basho, basho. So basho means place. So ba means another kanji has in response of ba, but sho kanji like that, sho. So sho, basho, basho is place, but ba has a different kanji. So basho, place. Another word is dai tokoro, dai tokoro, dai tokoro, dai, dai to ko ro. Daitokoro. Daitokoro means kitchen. Daitokoro. Daitokoro means kitchen. So here tokoro, we know the kanji. This kanji tokoro. Tokoro. Dai has another kanji, and another word is kinjo. 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 Sho or jo. Kinjo. Kinjo means neighborhood or portibeshi in Bangla. Neighbor. G-H-B-O-R. Neighborhood. Neighborhood. Kinjo. Neighborhood. So here is jo means place. Sho or jo. Kinjo. So jo kanji, that one. That jo. Kinjo. Kinjo. Neighborhood. Kinjo. So neighborhood. So here actually the how many words here is, we already know: jusho, basho, tokoro, daitokoro, kinjo. So lot of words already. So here the sentence koko ni kore wa nani? Kore wa jusho. We know already. Jusho. 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 So jusho to kore wa nani? Namae. Mane name. Namae o kono kanji wa right. So kai. Kaite kudasai. Kaite kudasai. Donna tokoro ni tokoro. Donna tokoro ni sumitai desu ka? We already know this one is su. Tokoro. Tokoro. Donna tokoro ni sumitai desu ka? Sumitai desu ka?